Hello everyone, welcome back to Savor the Goods at Home. I'm Ruthie Landelius, and today's bite-sized tip for you will be on how to organize your pantry. About twice a year, I like to go through my pantry and organize all of my spices and seasonings. Once you've got everything pulled out of your cupboards, you'll want to give them a pretty good cleaning with some warm water and a washcloth. The way I like to store my seasonings and spices are in 3 separate shelves. The lower shelf, where I can reach, I'm only so tall, I put all of the spices on the bottom shelf that I use the most. On the second shelf, I tend to store the spices and seasonings that I only use periodically, like my black sea salt. And on the very top shelf, that's where I'll add everything that I have in bulk. Before you add your spices in, you'll want to choose the spices that you don't use that often and add about a bean or 2 into the mix, and that'll keep them nice and dry. And you'll always want to store your spices and seasonings in a dry, dark place for ultimate freshness. And that is your bite-sized tip for today. Thank you again for watching, and for more great content, please check out your Panhandle PBS station and check me out at blackfigfood.com.